Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I wanted to remind you of a challenge coming up, and that is the Dolls Gone Goth Creepy Clown Challenge. I cannot wait to see your clowns. I actually love clowns. They never scared me. I'm doing this collab with J Dolls UK with the Dolls Gone Goth. And we are having so much fun, and it is so fun to see all of your videos. We're going to upload the creepy clowns on January 16th, any time of day, and the hashtag is DollsGoneGothClowns. You can use any clown you want, because clowns, to a lot of people, are creepy before they do anything. Thank you to J Dolls UK. I am having so much fun with the Dolls Gone Goth. We have a lot of challenges coming up. I wanted to get this right, so I went and got my collab notebook where I write everything down. The collabs coming up are February. We're going to do Twisted Cupid, Cupid's cousin, but in black. And you can take that twist any way you want. I thought it would be cute to go to the direction of the Twisted Cupid makes mix matches, and you can take that any way you want. March is going to be an alluring leprechaun, or a lady leprechaun who wears black and likes silver rather than wearing green and liking gold. April is going to be thunderstorms. Anything thunderstorms. I'm thinking I'm going to be making a raincoat in black. I have some ideas, we'll see. And May is going to be the one that I hope everyone will jump in on. This is your opportunity. If you haven't done any of the rest, you're gonna love this one. Sugar skulls. So that's for May. So February, Twisted Cupid. March, alluring leprechaun. April, thunderstorms. May, sugar skulls. And yes, we do have more planned. This is just so fun. Again, thank you. Thank you for joining in. And don't forget, January 16th, gosh, it's coming so quick, is Creepy Clowns. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.